So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So friends, today we are going to talk about how to download and install Android 12 beta version in your devices. Like here are some devices which contains Android 11, but I will not upgrade them to Android 12 because the data contained by these devices are very crucial for me. But today I will show you how to install and download Android 12 beta version in your devices. But please try this at your own risk because your data may get lost, your images, videos, contacts may get lost. So please try this at your own risk. And like as we all know that Android 12 is officially announced by the Android developers. Like I am showing you on my computer screens, like here you can see the website from where you can download Android 12 beta version for your devices. So without wasting any time, let me take to you to the website. Like you can see, this is the website. Like here you can see link is visible, but I will provide this link in the description so you can easily go through the link from my description below. Now I will show you how to download and install Android 12 from this website. Now let's go. Like here you will get many things related to Android 12 beta version, like a flash factory image, apply an OTA image, many things you need to download for the Android 12. But many devices make it very easy for you to install Android 12 in your device. Like for right now there are some devices like Asus, Oppo, TCL, Vivo. These are some mobile devices which are supported Android 12 right now. Like some of these devices are here. Now I will show you from one side. Like here are many brands like Asus, Google Pixel, OnePlus, but I will go to OnePlus link. Like I have the OnePlus device, so I will download OnePlus Android 12 beta version. Like you have to click on the link and it will automatically fetch you to the OnePlus website. Yes, it will take you to the OnePlus website, so you can download direct Android 12 from your brand like Vivo, Oppo, any of their official from their official website. Like here you can see that we are automatically fetched to OnePlus website, and here we can see here we can download the Android 12, and here are some details about Android 12 developer preview program, what's new in Android 12. There are many things, means they are giving us overview. There is written change in behavior, new features and APIs, so it will be quite interesting. And like now we have to simply click on that download, that in it will fetch us to another website of OnePlus, that is OnePlus forums. It's a community tab for of OnePlus. So as this is the community page of OnePlus, so here we will get some information like how to install the Android 12 in your devices, and there is a link also provided. And here they are also written, proceed at your own risk, means you can lose your data, you may lose your data, or you can, means there could be anything. Like here are some versions like Indian version, global version of Android 12 beta version. So you can simply download, click here and you can download in Android 12, and then you can install it manually. Like here is also a video in which you can see how to install Android 12. In this video you will see like how to manually install the Android 12. It is very easy, you can go through this video also. Like I will also tell you at the end of this video like how to install Android 12. So this was the website of OnePlus from where you can download the Android 12 beta version for your OnePlus devices. Like now I will go to Oppo and we will see, like we can see it automatically fetches us to oppomobiles.com, and from here we can download Android 12 beta version for Oppo devices. My website is loaded. Now we can see here Android developer preview for Oppo Find X3 Pro. Okay, so ये मॉडल है इस मॉडल से मीन्स ओनली फॉर दिस मॉडल ओप्पो मॉडल इज support Android 12. And there is also a note, this version is developed for certified developers. Like here are some risks: all data will be cleared, fingerprint unavailable, face lock unavailable, video calling does not work, system stability issues. So there are many issues, so please try this at your own risk. Please install this at your own risk. Here are download links, and here are some instructions that how to manually install Android 12 for your devices, for your Oppo devices. Like you can simply download from here, and they have also mentioned instructions which you can follow to install Android 12. So we are back to official website of Android developers. Like these are all devices which supports Android 12 right now. Like let me zoom out. So these are the devices: Asus, Google Pixel, OnePlus, Oppo, Realme, Sharp, and then Tecno, TCL, Vivo. Like there are many companies which supports Android 12. So you can simply download Android 12 from this website. I will give this link in the description, and you can easily download it from there. And when after downloading Android 12 beta version, you have to do simply a few steps. Like you have to go to settings, then click on update, and there you will get update manually. Now you have to click on that update manually, and you have to select that file which we have downloaded. And after this your work is done, your phone will be installing Android 12, and then you can enjoy the Android 12 all new features. So we should wind up our video here. So that was it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please don't forget to hit that like button, and please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends so they can know how to download and install Android 12 for their devices. So that's it. बाकी दोस्तों मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.